Hey there, Titans. Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Today, we will publish our first flow. So over here, I have a very simple flow setup that receives a file as an input. So I have an input file. It uploads it to a specific folder in Google Drive, and it then stores the link in Google Drive in output. Then I have a finish node, which is going to return this as output to my project. So let's head over to project settings, and under overview, let's give this an appropriate name. And now we can go ahead and publish our flow. And there we go. Our flow is now published. Once the flow is published, you can head back over to Overview, and you can see when it was published, and you can manage the status of the project over here. So our flow is published now. Let's learn how you can call it from Titan Web. So I'm going to head over to my dashboard, and I'm going to create a new web project. And over here, remember my flow is expecting to receive a file input. So let's add a file uploader. And my flow is going to return a link in Google Drive. So I'm going to just put a text field down here to capture that. In addition, I'm going to add a button to call my flow. And I'm going to add a variable to hold the URL. So now, if we head over to our button, we can go ahead and search for flow. Once our flow is published, we can select our flow, upload to Google Drive. I'm going to untick run in background. And under configure parameters, this is for input, I'm going to find my file input, and I'm going to set it as the file from the file uploader. And for return parameters, I want to store the value of output in my drive URL. Then, after we're finished, I want to go ahead and set the value from our variable into the text box. And that's it. So let's save and preview this. And let's open Google Drive right near here. And let's select the file to upload and call our flow. And there you go. We have a direct link to Google Drive. And there it is. And if we check in Google Drive, we can see that the file is also here. And that's how it's done.